Unlock a steady stream of affiliate commissions by mastering Google Ads. Let's dive into how you can turn clicks into cash. First, pinpoint the perfect affiliate product. Think about your niche and what problems your audience is trying to solve. Then, find relevant keywords that people are actively searching for when looking for solutions like yours. Now head over to Google Ads. We're going to structure our campaign with specific ad groups. Each ad group will focus on a tightly related set of keywords. This ensures your ads are highly relevant to what people are searching for. Crafting your ad copy is crucial. Your headlines should be attention-grabbing and include your primary keyword in your ad description. Highlight the benefits of the affiliate product and finish with a clear, compelling call to action that directs users to your affiliate link. Think buy now, learn more, or get your discount. Next, we optimize for success. Set your bid strategically. Start with a conservative bid and gradually increase it if you see good results. Utilize negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. This saves you money and improves your click-through rate. Tracking is non-negotiable. Implement conversion tracking within Google Ads to monitor how many clicks are turning into actual affiliate sales. This data is gold. It tells you which keywords, ads, and landing pages are performing best. Continuously analyze your campaign performance. Look at your click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Refine your keywords. Test different ad copy variations, and adjust your bids based on what the data tells you. Small tweaks can lead to massive improvements in your affiliate earnings. By focusing on relevant keywords, persuasive ad copy, smart bidding, and diligent tracking, you can effectively leverage Google Ads to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers and significantly boost your commission income.